What is up, guys? God bless you all and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you the parts that I got to rebuild my GA16DE. So yeah, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I hope all of you are doing great. I'm gonna give a huge shout out to all the new subscribers, and basically this video I'm gonna show you how I got this engine and how it happened. But everything started back on 2017 when I got my first engine, and I'm gonna put a couple of clips just to show you. I swapped the Westgate spring again. I was able to push about 10 psi. Alright, so I just got out of work and basically I blew up the car today. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. We have the old engine out of the Sentra. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and mount it on the engine stand right now. Boom. So I went ahead and mount the engine on the engine stand. Yeah, that's how I got this engine. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna show you the parts that I got to rebuild this engine. So yeah, let me show you. And boom, yeah, just like that, over here I got basically a rebuild kit for a GA16DE. I have an OEM head gasket. I have every gasket as possible I can have. I got OEM oil pump. I got a water pump somewhere. To finish up with that, what I'm gonna do, we're gonna actually put the ARP head studs on the block, and besides that, I'm gonna show you the piston very shortly. And boom, yeah, here we have the new pistons and rods that we're gonna be using in the GA16DE. And I still haven't done nothing with the engine. It's still actually right there. I put the head back, everything is back, so I haven't do much. But here I have the set of stock rods. So yeah, I dropped this one on the machine shop. They actually make sure that the stock ones are gonna work with the pistons that I have there, that I'm gonna show you very quick. And yeah, we got 4. They have to work on this area to make sure everything works. But yeah, here we have it. It's a set of high compression pistons, and this is gonna be what we're gonna use on the next build. You guys can see there how it looks. We building a high compression engine, boys and ladies. So yeah, I hope all of you get some excitement. I apologize, I've been away, it's been cold. I know the car, I haven't touched it yet because it's too cold, but huge shout out for my dad. He's gonna actually come to help me rebuild this short block, and hopefully I can put it in by the end of the year or for next season. But yeah, thank you for your patience. Thank you for basically be there with me through the whole journey, and thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Huge shout out to the new subscribers. Huge shout out to my sponsors, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe and God bless you all.